Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing a title where it matters, so scrub to the playhead position and drag a title template onto the primary storyline above your clip. Once done, make sure to choose a template that matches your scene's pacing, lower thirds for dialogue, big opener for intros, because the visual weight affects readability. You'll want to lock the clip length immediately and glance at safe zones to avoid cropping. This prevents rework later and keeps your edit efficient from the first step. Now you refine how the title looks and moves. Open the inspector and change the text, font, size, alignment, and color so the title matches your video's mood. Once done, make sure to set precise duration by trimming the title clip or entering exact timecode. Timing influences viewer retention. You can add keyframes for position, opacity, or scale to create smooth motion, because subtle motion reads better. Animate sparingly and preview at full speed to confirm readability and cadence. Finish by rendering sections with titles and checking export settings to ensure overlays appear in the final file. Press CMD+R and play back at full quality. Once done, make sure to inspect your exported video for dropped frames or mismatched fonts, and embed fonts when required. If something goes wrong, first confirm the title track isn't disabled, that the title uses RGB with alpha if needed, and that your codec supports overlays. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.